What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to increase and decrease your mic volume on Discord. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. If you want to increase or decrease your mic volume on Discord, simply head over to the user settings option located to the bottom left of your window. Here scroll down on the left hand side menu. Under App Settings, you'll find the Video and Voice option. Click on it. The Video and Voice settings will open up. Under Voice Settings, you'll find the Input Device option. Select the input device that you want to use on Discord. Here, you'll also be able to see the input volume slider. If your microphone is coming through too loud or too faint, click and drag the slider to an appropriate level. This way, you can easily increase or decrease your mic volume on Discord. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.